welcome to Chris Cook for You Too. Yeah, I'm going live on Facebook and I'm going on YouTube too. I want to come to you with a real quick, fast and easy salad. And who brought it back to my remembrance was Carla. So Carla, this is for you and all of my viewers. This is cucumber salad, but it is so easy to make. So let's get started with the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need mayonnaise. Any kind of mayonnaise you want to use is fine. 2 cucumbers, and I just for the sake of time went ahead and chopped up my cucumbers and my onions, and you're going to slice down your onions. You're going to need sugar, vinegar, dill weed, this is dill weed, and salt and pepper to taste. I'm just going to use some salt. I won't use any pepper in mine. So what you want to do, first we're going to go ahead and mix together our mayo. Now I did go ahead and take out a half of a cup of mayo because that's what it's going to take. I only used a half an onion and I used a half cup of mayo along with 2 cucumbers, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons, really, I'm sorry, 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Now, this is fast and simple to make. We want to make the dressing first. So we have in the mayo, we're going to go ahead and add the sugar. And of course, as always, your ingredients will be posted at the bottom of the tutorial. The vinegar, this is white vinegar. And we're going to mix this. Now, how fast and easy was that? We're going to mix this. That was real quick. That's all you need to do for your dressing. We're going to set our dressing aside. And we're going to go ahead and mix together our cucumbers along with our onions, a little bit of salt to taste, and a little bit of dill weed, less than 1/8. Okay? Now, we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Now, once you get this all mixed up, you're really all the way home. Because now all you want to do is just add this luscious dressing that you have sitting over to the side. You want to add that into it. You want to put it in your refrigerator and let all of these flavors marry together for at least about 30 minutes before you go ahead and eat. So all we're going to do, you can see the creaminess of my dressing. If you wanted a little bit more creamier, just add a little bit more mayo, but this is fine for me. Pour it all over. Now this is great as a side dish. It's great as a summer salad. It's great just to eat alone. It is really good. I think if you try this recipe, you are truly going to enjoy it. Now how fast and easy was that? Now periodically when it is a easy recipe, I will come on and do it on Facebook Live and do it on YouTube as well. This is going to be listed at the bottom of the tutorial. It'll also be listed right here on Facebook as well. This is the salad. Came out really good. I'm going to put a top on it, wait for 30 minutes, and there you have it. Make you some fried chicken or some fried pork chops. Go ahead and dish in on this salad. Think you're truly going to love it. And as always, thank you for watching Chris Cook for You Too. Bye.